Driver involved in fatal collision that claimed the life of a Christiana Lee's primary school student fled the scene. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Head of the Jamaica Constabulary Force Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, ACP Gary Mackenzie, says that the driver believed to be responsible for Monday morning's deadly collision in Christiana, Manchester fled the scene. The head-on collision claimed the life of a 10-year-old student, Trayvon Sanchez. Trayvon was a grade 6 student of the Christiana Lee's primary school in northeast Manchester. Reports are that he and his mother were traveling in a Honda Fit motor car when a Range Rover traveling in the opposite direction came into their lane, resulting in the collision. Trayvon's mother, a police constable, was seriously injured in the crash. She was rushed to the Spalding Percy Junior Hospital but was later transferred to another medical facility. ACP Mackenzie is urging the driver of the Range Rover to turn himself into the police.
We are not able to see the driver yet for the Range Rover because he fled the scene. So we are saying to that driver that you need to report to the police with immediate effect for investigations to proceed.
ACP Mackenzie is calling on Jamaicans to use the road safely in order to prevent fatalities.
I also want to use the opportunity to say to persons that we have lost now 247 persons on our roadway. A large percentage of that is caused by human beings making errors, making poor decisions, not being conscious of what they are doing whilst they are driving. And so we are suffering as a nation as a result of this kind of misjudgment and I dare say wanton carelessness. So the appeal is that we slow down, obey the rules of the road, and ensure that we are able to drive and use the roadway safely.
That was ACP Gary Mackenzie, head of the JCF Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch. During the publication of this report, Links 007 TV News has been reliably informed that the driver of the Range Rover believed to be responsible for Monday's deadly collision in the parish has turned himself into the police. His name is being withheld pending further investigation and the laying of charges. However, we have been informed that he's 31 years old. In the meantime, we have received word that the police constable that was injured in the serious motor vehicle accident in Segberg, Manchester. It's been now reported that the police constable is now admitted at the Mandeville Regional Hospital still in critical condition. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.